go talk to them. But the ones who were dressed like this, Mama Pastel, you don't talk to them.
Mama Pastel where? Them girls that be hiding, them girls in them churches that be hiding, covering up at the night time. Big geese airplane.
Live from New York, it is the Sargie Rhonel Show.
I'm your girl Sargie Rhonel and I'm with
JP
and
Victoire.
So today's video they'll be rating my outfits. These are outfits you can wear on Valentine's Day.
Period.
But y'all
prostitution.
That's you. Oh wait. Okay, I hope y'all like this outfits. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me get started and try them on. Okay. Like this is the first outfit.
Ooh!
Okay, what would you rate this one?
Yes,
forget
baby.
the socks.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Move along. The white material.
Thank you. So, what would you rate this?
I'll give it. Wait, is it out of 10? We rating?
Yeah, out of 10.
Out of 10, I give it 100.
Really? Thank you.
We're out of 10, 100.
Okay.
Bill, she got some dick pics. Bill, she got some dick pics.
So I'll give it 10.
Just imagine.
Okay.
Just imagine the heels.
Okay.
Period. You better wear this at your graduation.
Okay, the honest truth, I'll give it a 10. I like it.
Really, I like it.
I like it. I thought it was gonna get us some, some wrinkle curls, but this is like.
Why you never wear that anyway?
Fashionable. Yeah, I never see you wear some. I mean,
yeah. These are all new outfits. I never worn them. I wore some of them, but not all of them.
Okay, this is cute.
This is the second outfit. Let's say you want to go hiking. You want to go hiking on the day?
Go forward over there. You'll see it better.
This is really cute, really comfy.
I swear.
What?
Can I be honest?
Okay, you don't like this one?
No. Can I be honest? You didn't even hear my thoughts.
Okay, what is it?
Out of 10, I give it 5.
Why 5?
Because this shit don't even look right.
Right.
Look, this top part, it looks
it's
like...
two-piece.
No, I know. I'm talking about this top part. Looks like you're going to an office job. And the bottom one looks like you're going to a strip job. What kind of job mixed up with the... JP give...
Okay, what? JP, what do you say? You don't like this outfit? I like it. I think
you better give comments.
I feel like with sneakers and you're going hiking, let's say on Valentine's Day you want to go to hike.
Thank you.
Hiking in the snow. I got people from like
hiking in the snow.
I'm skiing.
Okay, so
skiing this one.
Okay, Florida. If you live in Florida, you can wear this. Or Arizona. Okay. How much you give it?
I'll give it a 6.
Yeah, I give it a
5, 6. They don't like.
You don't say that because the one at the top is good. It's good.
You don't like the pants?
No.
This is my favorite part. What's wrong with the pants?
It's not the pants. It's shorts.
It's shorts.
So I'll give it a 6 for you. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 6.
I'll give it 5.
And you're giving this 6? It's getting.
No, you know the cutest thing that could go with that
is what?
Is you wear the in the office job, right? Example, in the office
like
job.
a pantsuit.
Yeah. A pantsuit
and like a
no. You know the what do you call the tank top for girls? The black tank top. And it covers your hair, and then it covers everything. You wear that, and then you put like a suit on top of it, like a mini suit on top of it, and then you wear like a pantsuit. Those pantsuit that are not like tie, but those ones are like
they're like the alone.
Yeah, that looks a lot cute on this. But this thing, it gives me a 5. A strip club vibe.
But you say office.
The top office, but the bottom it destroy everything.
Don't look at me. Anyway, the one.
Shit, man.
So this one, I think y'all see it.
Yeah.
Okay, listen.
So go forward.
This is one of my new outfits. Listen, at first I didn't like this outfit, but I think it's nice.
I love it.
Okay, why you love it?
Out of 10, I give it 100 again. Why? With the check mark.
I don't understand why people like this outfit.
This is mad pretty. It's just pretty in its own kind. And plus, you got a body for it.
This right here is complicated to wear. That's why I didn't like it.
I mean, beauty is hard, so what do you expect?
I know, right? But it should be this. Everybody like this one.
This is so
And then you wear sneakers and you go get lit with your
You need to put leggings on there, though. Like those tight leggings.
And then for what? You don't need leggings in this.
I'm not talking about the black leggings. I'm talking about like a colorful legging. Like not colorful. Like,
I feel like
your skin tone leggings.
Why?
Girl, why would you want to go out there poo, and everything is outside?
You sound like a father.
Okay.
JP.
I like it. I do.
You about to say something mean.
I'll give it a 9.5.
Why? Okay, what's wrong with this outfit?
I don't want to sound like camera.
Just say it.
Okay.
What is it? You always
You know, African parents, they want their daughter to be, like say, respectful. And anyway, I'm just saying.
How is this?
I'm just saying. Okay.
How is this not respectful? It's covered up, head to toe.
Hey, not fully covered up.
No.
So my knees.
No, here, sides.
Sarah,
What?
that cover up, we gotta cover everything up, and then I'll say 10. Yeah.
So if you want me to come in
For
here,
the culture.
so you want me to come in here in a blanket, so give me 10.
Yes. For the and I like
I got you.
I like it.
How about, why would you rate this? Because this other outfit, since you want me to come in a blanket, I give a blanket.
I give you.
Okay, rate this outfit.
I give you a 10
For
because
this?
it's comfortable and it's good for winter.
Thank you. I give you 100.
So you want me just like this?
Yes.
No,
You need to look at my mama. Prepare.
Not really.
Okay, listen. Young girls, y'all can look sexy.
No, y'all can't.
Y'all can look.
If you're Congolese, don't. Because the amount of holding judgments you're gonna cry. Don't.
You can wear full blanket like this. They'll be like, why don't I wear blankets in the summer? I'm just this is like summery outfits. If you live in Florida, Arizona, you can wear this. You know, you go out. Oh,
and go to prostitution, and you come home. You go. You know what will happen? You could wear this, but at the bottom, add the African thing on top, long dress. You know how you did at the other wedding?
You want me to be Muzehe?
Muzehe, yeah, wear Muzehe dresses.
No, I feel like I wear this, with like a big ass fur coat, heels, coming that bitch like.
You will look like chicken with no fur.
No, go change. I like it.
I like it.
I like it though. I like it, but just go.
This one, the next one.
Hey, JP, scandalous. Scandal. Yeah, this is the summer dress.
Okay.
Beautiful, but still hoeing.
How? This is really
But
cute.
go forward so they can see you.
No, it's like
But
a girls' night.
Girls'
Y'all
night,
wear
baby.
socks to all like a little.
No, like
peepee.
socks all the way to here.
Exactly. You know, put my socks all the way up
No
there.
time, babe.
I like this one. It's very. Like,
Okay, out of 10, I give you 100.
Really?
Check off the check.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you give this negative.
No.
Really?
This is so cute though.
Okay, I feel like if I'm having
It's a typical Arizona summer
dress, or like if you live in Florida, if you live in
Buffalo.
if you live, I have an audience everywhere. Okay, I was touring, meeting people.
Anyway, this is Buffalo. Okay.
Bye. You give it-
How would you rate this?
Okay, I'm not gonna. I like it too, so I'll give it a 10.
Really?
I like it. It's so beautiful. It's so cute.
I thought you would give this negative.
At least this is covering here.
Really?
It's not like it's
really?
It's not like it's naked.
My legs showing. I thought you'd be like, oh, the legs.
No, the legs is okay, but if the prostitution part is this part.
Oh, y'all like this
I
one?
think
Mhm,
it's
it's cute.
Okay, I like it. I give it.
Yeah.
It looks cute.
I give it a 10. I like
Just
it.
put leggings next time. I'm talking about not those full leggings, those
To be honest,
By mama.
to be honest, let's say we're going out in the day. I'll wear like the black pants and make this like a top.
What is the top?
No, like put it inside, make it like a top.
No.
Yes, make it like
That shit gonna look raggedy. This is not the. It look.
No, I think-
you can
and
even
then-
cover it. Somebody will know that it's a dress because they already have a dress form.
You don't get it. I'll wear it inside like a top. Put it inside, the pants up, cover this part.
Yeah.
And then during the day, I'm walking, walking with my heels, look professional. And then in the nighttime, you give it a sleep over. You know what I'm saying? It's like you can do this with 2 outfits. You get what I'm saying?
Give it a one-way walk. One-way walk. Ew. She's like a chicken with no fur. Yeah.
Chicken with no fur. Nah, like
You see, that was nice. Now you're mean. Let me go.
No.
So, it looks nice though. I like it. It looks nice.
100. The fifth one.
Okay, so this is a
Yes.
Now, yes.
Off top, I
Now.
give it 1,000.
Now I can say
It's this is proper clothes.
Not
A
like-
proper African girl.
Imagine
dressed
going on a day with a guy. Now you could just like that.
Yeah, you could dress like that.
All these outfits are date outfits.
No,
No,
that
they're
was-
not. The other ones you look like you're going to do date and prostitution at the same time.
No, that one is not for you. It's like that's
This is
let's go for a
cute,
wedding
baby.
or going with your
I want to
friends.
wear heels,
cute.
a big fur coat. Quam, quam,
Girl,
quam.
we're talking about typical African girl. Why
Am
you
I
bring
typical?
something-
Am I basic? This is la grande dame, okay? This is high class, not first class. Not second grade.
Go ahead, Sarah. Do your thing. Do your thing, Sarah.
She did the chicken, we know.
I'm not chicken. Okay, so
Cute.
what would you rate this, JP?
Like he said, 100.
1,000. Thank you.
Million. I like it so much. No, for real, I like it.
It
It's a
is
lot.
cute.
But okay, but why don't y'all talk to girls that dress like this?
I do.
We do.
Now you're dumb.
We do.
They talk to the half naked girl.
No, but it be like, it's not right. Dress like this.
Naked.
No, dress like
Yeah,
this doesn't
naked.
mean you have to be in the house to do abortion, filling up the clinic.
Sarah, they don't talk to me. I talk to them. They don't talk to me. So I'm supposed to do chase them.
The quail one.
You, the moment
you
they talk to you, prostitution has started. Levels.
No, but the girls that just have that, y'all go talk to them. But the ones who were dressed like this, Mama Pastel, you don't talk to them.
Mama Pastel, where? Them girls that be
Yeah.
hiding,
Oh,
them
yeah.
girls in them churches that be hiding, covering up at the night time. Big geese airplanes.
Okay. What about?
Yeah!
Hey, no names. No names.
I'm just saying. You say it's
No, I don't want. That was 2 days. Another one. Another one.
Okay,
He left it. Oh, God, I can't say it.
Allah Kuba.
let me see.
But still.
You better delete that whole part.
I don't give a fuck. What they gonna do? Which pastor girl did you date?
Well, she used to be a pastor.
Exactly. You always say, oh, we want girls like this, but you'll go after the
Me, I'm not getting married anyway, so I don't see the reason, the point why y'all attacking
How you gonna
me.
get married when you're already married? Anyways.
It looks nice though. I like it.
I give it a negative 100 at this
Give it
point.
100.
The last and final clothing line goes
Okay.
to
This
Sarah.
one. You don't like this one? Why, yeah. This is cute. I saved the best for last.
Hey!
This is really cute.
She naked, man.
I like it. I'm gonna
God.
That's for a club.
You gave our parents possibility of bringing their daughters in a man.
No, dinner date.
But the
Great
daughters,
heels.
they're not listening, they're wearing prostitution clothes.
No, how have you went to the club with this?
Negative 100.
JP,
Why is it back open?
because it's a style.
Why this side open?
It's a style. It's a
Style with style.
It's a style. It's a style.
Okay, to be honest, really, out of 10, I give it a 5.
Really?
Right.
Why?
I
I
give it an
like
8.
it. I give it a 5.
Thank you. It's covered up.
I give it an 8 because right here is covered up, and right here is like
This
I
side
like
is closed. This side open.
Okay, yeah, I give it a.
You know what I'm
if I
saying?
change my
That's
grade,
the question.
6.
That's the question. Would you wear that in front of your mom?
Thank you.
Yes.
In front of your dad?
Yes.
Dad, mom?
My dad. Yes.
Your parents must not love you.
Yes. Because I think mine, they will throw hot water. You will probably cover up everything.
So here's
In the
Sarah.
coma.
It's okay, Sarah.
Is it that bad?
No, I like it.
Let me do runway.
No, I like it.
Oh yeah.
Come on now.
Okay.
It's your own video.
Oh, I forgot.
Just
Okay,
do it,
because
just
y'all
do it.
insulting me. I had to go run and
No,
cry.
it looks nice. I like it.
Run and cry.
I give it an 8.
So 8 and you say 5.
6.
It's increasing. Okay, let's wait till the end.
No, there's no way.
Let's do 9. I like it. Let's give it
Okay, he's giving
I'm not
9.
giving it a 9. I'm giving
Okay.
it. I don't like the
9.
prostitution part.
Okay. Guys, this is the last video. I will be doing more videos with
This
these
week.
beam motherfuckers.
This week we're gonna do a video. We're gonna do what's it called? What's it called?
You can't be saying it.
Oh, and this one say,
She cut it out.
yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And
Follow us on TikTok,
and
Twitter,
comment.
Messenger, WhatsApp, Congo Brazzaville, Congo
Anyways,
Kinshasa.
make sure you add us on
Love y'all.
Snapchat, Facebook.
And JP, get out of
and
my
also-
view, thank you. And God bless you. We're going to pray for y'all. Ecclesiastes chapter 6.
And
verse-
Genesee.
Where is Genesee?
Oh, it's not in
Yeah, have a good day. Let me on
Genesis.
Snapchat, alright?
Zip it and do it. Bye, baby.